Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Pump.Fun. So in order to do it, you first need to come to Pump.Fun, or you can even use the link that is given in the description in order for you to come to the right website. Now once you are on this page, you will be able to see the connect wallet option in the top right hand corner of the screen. So over here you need to click on the connect wallet, and now it will give you the option of Phantom Wallet here. So you need to click on Phantom Wallet, and then the pop-up of Phantom Wallet will be opened in front of you. That will look something like this. Here you just have to simply select your accounts. So if you have multiple accounts in your Phantom Wallet, you just have to choose that particular account which you want to basically connect with your Pump.Fun account. Now since I have only one account in my Phantom Wallet, that's why it isn't showing me multiple accounts of mine. So after selecting your account, you just have to simply press the connect button. Then it will ask you for the confirmation, so you need to simply press the confirm option and wait for some time until it shows you this type of page in front of you. So here you just have to type your username, or you can even go with this username that Pump.Fun created for you. So once you are done after creating your username, you just have to simply click on the close option, and then it will show you your Phantom Wallet option. So this is your Phantom Wallet address, and you can see that in the top right hand corner you can view your profile and you can view your address. So this way you will have successfully connected your Phantom Wallet with Pump.Fun. I hope this video helped you out, and if it does, do let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.